Tiny Paws Dog Groomer, and today I'll be doing the unboxing of the blue sapphire Heiniger Cordless clippers from Christie's. I ordered them 3 days ago and they arrived this morning. Packaged really well. So let's open up and have a look. They come in a really nice case. So, instruction book, the actual clippers, lovely and light. They come with 2 batteries. Apparently the charge lasts for 50 to 60 minutes and it takes 45 minutes to charge, so it means you can use them all day. Charging unit. And it comes with clipper oil and a brush for cleaning. They cost me £279. That includes shipping and VAT. I will do a video of me using them and then a review, and I will put a link in the comments. Thank you for watching. Happy grooming!